Companies have been saving money on taxes using the Section 179 deduction since 1958. Section 179 allows you to deduct the full purchase price of qualifying equipment up to a certain amount in the year it was put into service. This creates a larger initial expense deduction than using the standard depreciation method and reduces your tax burden in that first year. In some cases, bonus depreciation may also apply, providing additional tax savings. Eligible equipment includes new and used qualifying depreciating assets such as heavy equipment, machinery, office equipment, software, and some business vehicles. But it is very important to consult with a tax professional to check eligibility, limitations, and the effect on future years' taxes. CCG can help you finance equipment, and if you place that equipment into service before the end of the year, you could qualify for Section 179 tax deductions and save money on your taxes.